सभी को नमस्ते बेटा। टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन एक्सरसाइज 9.2. Question number 1. Find the sum of the odd integers from 1 to 2001. First we write the integers from 1 to 2001, which are 1, 3, 5, 7 to 1999 and 2001, which is an AP. All these terms are in AP, and where first term is A, last term is 2001, and common difference is 2. Let the number of terms be n. First we have to find how many terms are odd from 1 to 2001. So nth term means last term is given, A is given, D is given. Apply the general formula or nth term formula. We can find the nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Simply put the value of A, D and An and calculate n. Then you will get 1001. Means there are 1001 terms in the terms of given AP. Now we have to find the sum of all these terms 1001. Apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket A plus last term A plus n. Now sum of terms 1001 is equal to n is 1001. So put the value of n 1001 by 2. A is 1, L last term is 2001. Add together, solve, then you will get 10 lakhs 2001. In an AP, the first term, ये है first term is A, and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So that 20th term is minus 112. Better let A1, A2, A3 ... A9, A10 be the first term of an AP. According to question, sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 the sum of the next 5 terms. Therefore, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 1/4 into A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. By the sum of the first 5 terms can be represented by S5 is equal to, इसको मैंने S5 लिख दिया, 1/4 as it is, and we have added the sum of the first 5 terms and subtracted from this. इसमें मैंने sum of first 5 add किया, sum of first 5 subtract किया, then we will get A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus ... plus A10 minus A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 A5. So this becomes the sum of the first 10 terms. So we may write it S10. This is the sum of the first 5 terms. We may write S5. Now this is the equation. So by cross multiplication we will get 4S5 is equal to S10 minus S5. Now transpose S5 in one side. Then you will get 5S5 is equal to 10 S10. 5S5 is equal to S10. So simply use the formula S5. Now S5 n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Simply put the value of A and we will calculate D in the left hand side as well as right hand side. So S10 n by 2, n is 10, 2A, A is 2, n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D. The value of the in the left hand side will be 20 plus 20D, and right hand side will be 8 plus 18D. Now calculate D. D will be minus 6. You know the value of A, you know the value of D. Now calculate A20, means 20th term of the AP. So A20 will be A plus 19D. So A is 2, 19, D is minus 6. So 2 plus 19 minus 6 will be minus 112. Hence proved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखो आप, इन एन एपी इफ pth term is q, p term is q and qth term is 1 by p. Pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p. Prove that the sum of the first pq terms is half p plus q pq plus 1 where p is not equal to q. Let the first term and common difference of an AP B A and D respectively. हर एक क्वेश्चन में लिखते हैं. तो pth टर्म क्या देगा? pth is 1 by q. तो pth term is equal to 1 by q. तो pth term is a plus p minus 1 into d, that is equal to 1 by q according to question. Similarly qth term a plus q minus 1 into 1 by p. Subtracting second from first, we will get p minus q into d is equal to 1 minus q minus 1 by p. Take out LCM of the right hand side, solve it. Then dividing both sides by p minus q, you will get the value of d as 1 by pq. Putting the value of d is equal to 1 by pq in any one of the equation, either in 1 or 2, we will get the value of a. So a is also 1 by pq. Sum of the first pq terms, as in the question is asked, find the sum of the first pq terms. S pq will be equal to pq by 2 into a. A's value of a is 1 by pq plus n is pq minus 1 and d is also 1 by pq. Up now solve it and you will get pq plus 1 by 2. Hence proved. Next 7. Find the sum to n terms of an AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Kth term is given, nth term is given by putting k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We may calculate the first, second and third term similarly. Let the first term and common difference of an AP B, A and D respectively given. AK is equal to क्या? Kth term is given 5k plus 1. So putting k is equal to, आप k की जगह पे क्या लिख दो? 1, 2, 3 successively we get, if k is 1 then a1 is 6, k is 2 then a1 is a2 is 11. So for finding common difference, a2 minus a1, 11 minus 6, 5. So now you have got first term is 6, common difference is 5. Now calculate Sn, means sum to n terms of the AP. So n by 2 into a is 6 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. Now solve it, then you will get n by 2 into 5n plus 7. Question number 10 is, if the sum of the first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of the first q terms, then find the sum of the first p plus q terms. बेटा let first term a मान लो, common difference d मान लो of an AP respectively. According to question क्या है? Sum of the first p terms is equal to sum of the first q terms. So S subscript p is equal to S subscript q. So now apply the formula. Sum of the first p terms will be equal to p by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into p minus 1 into d is equal to q by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into 2. Now transpose all the terms in one side and take out 2a common from take out 2 common, it will be p minus q and q square minus d, p square minus q square into d minus p माइनस क्यू इंटू डी. अब इसको आप सबको ट्रांसपोज करके कॉमन लेंगे तो यू विल गेट दिस इक्वेशन. डिवाइडिंग दिस इक्वेशन बाई p minus q, dividing throughout the equation by p minus q, then you will get 2a plus p plus q into d minus d is equal to 0. Now take out d common from the last two terms, that will is equal to 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. ये now calculate the sum of the first p plus q terms of an AP. तो s p plus q is equal to p plus q by 2 2a plus n minus 1 p plus q minus 1 into d है ना. अब ये क्या है, इसका सम निकालना है मुझे, तो इसकी जगह पे क्या पुट कर सकते हो आप 0 फ्रॉम 1. तो p plus q by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So the sum of the first p plus q terms is 0. Next, sum of the first p, q, r terms of an AP are a, b, c respectively. Prove that a by p into q minus r plus b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. अब आप क्या करोगे भाई, let a small a is used in the proof, that's why we will take the first term as capital A. So let capital A and D be the first term and the common difference of an AP respectively. According to question, SP is given A, SQ is given B, SR is given C. So SP means P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A. SQ, Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. SR, R by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. Equation 1, 2, 3 कैन बी रिटन एज, मैंने इसको क्या कर दूंगा, P से डिवाइड कर दूंगा इक्वेशन 1 को, इक्वेशन 2 को Q से डिवाइड करूंगा, इक्वेशन 3 को R से डिवाइड करूंगा, देन वी विल गेट 1 by 2 2A P minus 1 into D is equal to A by P हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली यहाँ हो जाएगा 1 by 2 Q से डिवाइड करें, Q से Q कैंसिल होगा, 1 by 2 2A प्लस Q minus 1 into D B by Q हो जाएगा, 1 by 2 2A प्लस R minus 1 into D या C by R हो जाएगा. आ गया. अब मैंने क्या किया, इक्वेशन 1 में Q माइनस R से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इक्वेशन 2 में R माइनस P से किया, इक्वेशन इन दिस इक्वेशन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई Q माइनस P माइनस Q. इस इक्वेशन में किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, Q माइनस R, इसमें R माइनस P, इसमें P माइनस Q, और मल्टीप्लाई करके आप ऐड कर दो, मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई Q माइनस R, R माइनस P, P माइनस Q इन इक्वेशन 4th 5th 6th रिस्पेक्टिव वी हैव. तो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ये मिलेंगे आपको, और सिंपली ऐड टुगेदर. जैसे ही ऐड करोगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बिकम्स एंड इन द राइट हैंड साइड यू विल गेट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बिकम्स 0 एंड राइट हैंड साइड विल बी a by p into q minus r plus b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. Hence proved. Next question is if sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164, find the value of n. तो इसका सम दिया गया, तो सम दिया गया तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये गिवन Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5, पुटिंग n is equal to 1 2 3 इन 1 वी गेट क्या मिलेगा S1. मैंने अगर n को 1 से रिप्लेस कर दिया तो वी विल गेट S1 मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म इज 8 आएगा. नाउ रिप्लेस n by 2, तो सम ऑफ S2 मीन्स सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सेकेंड टर्म्स. तो सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड टर्म इज 22. तो नाउ फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड सब्ट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट टू गेट सेकेंड. मैंने सम ऑफ 2 में से फर्स्ट को माइनस कर दिया, 22 माइनस 8 दैट इज 14, तो दैट इज A2 आ गया. अब आपको फर्स्ट टर्म पता है, सेकेंड टर्म पता है. नाउ कैलकुलेट कॉमन डिफरेंस इक्वल टू A2 माइनस A1 मीन्स 14 माइनस 8 दैट इज 6. कम टू as given mth term is 164. mth term means a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 164. Putting a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 6. इस इक्वेशन में a और d की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, तो 8 plus m minus 1 into 6 is equal to 164. Transpose 8 from left to right, then 6 into m minus 1 is equal to 156. Dividing both sides by 6, then you will get m minus 1 is equal to 26. Transpose 1, then you will get m is equal to 27. Thus the required value of m is 27. Now you will try to solve exercise 9.2. No doubt you may face some problems. I will solve your problems tomorrow. Thank you.